Hi everyone, Jimmy here. Welcome to today's unboxing. Warning, it's gonna be boring, but for American people and UK people, maybe it's interesting. So let's take a look. It's small. That's alright. Smallest thing I ever bought from Apple. This is a European 5-watt USB power adapter. Mine broke yesterday, so I had to buy one. So let's unbox it. Empty box. Boring paperwork. That's a weird little paper, but whatever. Even more boring stuff. Oh, this is it. Yeah. Fine. And then this thing away. So this is it. It's pretty boring for European guys like me, but for international humans, you don't see these every day because Americans have like a little square and the UK has like a triangle thingy. Well, we have this pointy thingy. Well, I hope you enjoyed. And this was my unboxing of the European Apple 5-watt power adapter. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.